Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Zain and this is Monument. The Polestar 3 SUV, ladies and gents, it's throwing major shade at the Model X, that's the Tesla Model X, and the iX with 600 kilometers of range. I guess it's also throwing shade at the Porsche Taycan. But it's just incredible to see that this performance electric SUV has 600 kilometers of range. That's incredible. So let's try to understand how Polestar achieved this. Now, Polestar is formerly known as Volvo's performance car brand. They were Volvo's performance division. So it's no secret that Polestar would be extremely good in the performance division within creating their cars. Now, Polestar is spreading its wings and will be making the electric SUV in the United States, with the ambition of taking on the likes of Tesla. The Polestar 3 will also be manufactured in China. The 3 SUV is aptly named because it comes after the 2 electric fastback sedan. Polestar will assemble the 3 at Volvo's factory in South Carolina, and the first look reveals a sportier style hoth than the design of the Volvo's cars that comes with. Now, the 3 is fairly large. It's a fairly large SUV, and it comes with the Tesla Model X proportions with the tapered roofline and a clean servicing. So what's interesting is that there's not one but 2 spoilers at both ends, which are functional and not just for aesthetic reasons. The front end borrows the Polestar design language of being a more aggressive and comes with a radical 2-part headlight setup. The healthy amount of cladding and good ground clearance supports the 3's claim of being an SUV, not just a tarmac only. The car's styling a departure from Volvo's design, and it comes with a horizontal light setup, which is good that Polestar is finally establishing their own design language within their vehicles. Now, at launch, the Polestar 3 will have a dual motor drivetrain and a large battery pack with a range of over 600 kilometers. That puts it subsequently the segment dominant by the likes of German, including the Audi e-tron and the Taycan Cross Turismo. The marquee is key to compete with Porsche as a premium electric performance brand, and also has a model range similar to Tesla. Now, this is a bold, ambitious vehicle by Polestar to grow tenfold in terms of global sales and also to increase its presence to 30 global markets. Currently, Polestar is in 25 different markets. A high-performance electric SUV is their ticket for that. Alongside the dual motor setup, we can expect a single motor lower spec version later on for the Polestar 3, while autonomous highway piloting would also be available. If anything, the Polestar 3 also provides a sneak peek at the new generation of Volvo XC90, since both SUVs would be built alongside it in the United States and China. We expect the Polestar 3 to arrive at Australian shores next year, post its October 2022 debut. Now, it's just incredible to see that Polestar is targeting more than 600 kilometers of range on the WLTP test cycle from its dual motor powertrain. And like I said, a lower power single motor version of this vehicle will be getting released in the near future. Additionally, I also know from Thomas Ingerloth, Polestar CEO, that there will be a special edition version of this vehicle, the Polestar 3, just like the special edition Polestar 2, which means that there will be more performance, that is more race-like, that is more track-built. Now, this large SUV will go head-to-head with the BMW iX and the Mercedes EQE SUV when it launches, and it's set to spearhead the Polestar brand change in the United States, and it will. People in the United States, they love SUV vehicles, they love big vehicles, not to mention they love fast vehicles, and Polestar is covering all areas quite well with the Polestar 3. The Polestar 3 has also been confirmed to have LiDAR sensors and NVIDIA processing to offer semi-autonomous highway driving. Now, since this car will be debuting this year, it's also important to understand that Polestar has a strong plan to produce 25,000 vehicles this year. This will undoubtedly bring their overall revenue to approximately over $2 billion in US dollars. Now, the SPAC merger is also on the track to be completed with Guzgukanam, and this is quite exciting because we're now in June and the SPAC merger is not too long away. It's just towards the end of June, possibly around the 22nd of June. Now, the SPAC merger for Polestar will change everything, and it will make everything more simpler and simplistic, and it will make Polestar even more official as an EV brand. They will be a fully publicly owned company, and they will still be jointly owned by Volvo and Geely. While Geely still has the majority ownership in Volvo, this gives them an even more overwhelming ownership in Polestar. It's quite an interesting feat, to be honest. But this is where we'll end this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.